Hey folks, I just released VocalFold 1.3. Let me show you what the new features hold in store for you. So I'm going to press my hotkey, Windows and Ctrl, and say Open Settings. And you can see at the bottom it already recognized my voice. Now it's transcribing and it's executing the command. So when you start up VocalFold for the very first time, it will open up the settings page, and you can, at the systems page, decide which hotkey should actually start your recording. You can choose which whisper model you want to go with, and I highly recommend experimenting with the larger ones. The accuracy of the language is way better then. It downloads the model and it will run locally, so you are not eligible to any kind of cost at all. It's always for free, and also your data is private, and whatever you're saying to the machine will only be in your own computer. So you can test your microphone on here if you actually selected the right microphone, and then you can test the transcription for 5 seconds by just saying whatever you like. Hello, my name is Marco. So in a few moments we'll see that it actually realized, hey, the transcription, 5 seconds, my name is Marco. It's multilinguistic, so you can ask it in German, English, Japanese, Italian, whatever you like, and it will understand you. Initially, it was just to solve the problem of me not liking to type, so I can actually just speak to my computer and get a free transcription wherever I am, wherever my cursor is. But you can now also say you want to have keywords replaced. So punctuation, for example, when I say new line, it will open up a new line. If I have email templates like my email signature, you can just add another template here and say whenever that term is said in the transcribed text, it should be replaced by whatever the keyword transcription is. Let me show you a demonstration. Hi, my name is Marco. New line, and I'm going to show you new line, German email signature. So this is opening up a text, and now it's transcribing it to, hi, my name is Marco, and I'm going to show you the German email signature that you all know and love. So that's what you can do so far until version 1.2, and now in version 1.3, you can actually configure commands. So if you want to open up a website, if you want to open up a certain program at your computer, I have Open Calendar configured to my website here, calendar.notion.so. You can choose any application, URL, or a folder on your computer. And when I now say Open Calendar, it will open up the configured URL, in this case being my calendar. Let's not dwell onto the content there. You can also open up basically any website. You can also open up a bunch of websites. So if you look at the Open Workspace, it's 2 different URLs that's being called here. And now if I go to Open Workspace, it will open up 2 different tabs or programs, whatever you have configured. And now there is my engagements and my weekly live operations. Beautiful. So back to VocalFold settings. That's it so far, folks. Enjoy the tool. It's completely for free. If you go to VocalFold on github.com/Heimisov, you can download release 1.3 at the site where the releases are. There's an exe file to download. Just install it and start using. And if you have any feedback at any point in time, just send me an email, or in the settings itself, you'll also find an about page where you find more about me. Shoot me up anytime. If you want to take a look at the source code, this has been entirely built using Claude Code, and I have a bunch of specifications in the folder VocalFold/specifications. So for the developers amongst you that want to get better at building software with AI, go to the Quick Start Here or to the Start Here MD and take a look at how all of this is possible to be generated. As long as you understand what the machine is doing when it's coding, you don't have to code a single line of code yourself, of course. Happy exploring, and again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email.